The grand prize winner. Let's go!
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to you. Thank you sa panonood ng mga videos ko kahit walang kakwento-kwenta. Today, pupunta tayo sa Manila International Auto Show kasi may sinalihan akong car giveaway from VinFast, yung electric car company. And sabi nila na sa shortlist daw yung design na sinend ko. So, let's see kung may napanalunan ba ako, either car or one of the two cash prizes. Or pwede rin namang wala ko napanalunan. So, see you guys there! Woo! Dito na tayo! So, 40 participants pala yung in-invite nila. So, baka wala tayong makuhang award kasi 6 prizes lang yung meron. Pasok na tayo kasi 11 pa mag-start yung show. Yan na lang natin mamaya.
We will be announcing the winners in a few moments. Of our third prize are Mr. Leo Angelo Augustine. Congratulations! Meron pa tayong tatlo para sa atin third place winner. At hindi na natin patatagalin pa. Let's all welcome for our top 5 with his work, Angle by William Nel Bidugang. Grabe, kita niyo sobrang colorful talaga. And let's move on now to our top 4 with his work, Mecascal. Let's all welcome Mr. Hercules H. Ebon. So tasty. And the last but not the least, our top 3 winner for today with his work, Adventure Chaser. Let's all welcome John Irish Christopher Martinez. And the second prize winner is... Are you guys ready? Let's go! The second prize winner is... Mr. Jeffrey D. Monclove with his work, Wangen. Grabe, ayan, makikita niyo sa ating lens sa taas. The grand prize winner, let's go!
Dahil wala ko na panalunan kanina sa car show, dito na lang ako mananalo. Ayan. Uy, 50 not ba? Ay, 50 ba? Ay. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Yun.
Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever? Sige, kaya mo yan.
Tatay na.
If I could just see you tonight. Sad baby, sad baby. Now you wanna see me. And after all, oh wow.
Sunod natin pagkain.
Gotta keep moving on, fly away, break away. Not easy I'm into you, baby. Not a day goes by that I'm not into you. I should be all the time, but I'm into you. Yeah, they're talking. I'm a Barbie. It's only when you hear me say that since you ain't gone, I'm gonna breathe for the first time. It's only now, yeah, yeah. Thanks to you, now I get what I want. Since you've been gone, you had your chance to blow away. I'll be fine. Come on, baby, it's you. Don't wanna miss your all. Kinda wanna always call. When I need, makes everything stop. Finally, you put the love on top. Ooh, come on, baby. Ooh, come on, baby. Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the one I see. Come on, baby.
So, ayun lang, medyo sad na hindi tayo nakakuha ng kahit anong prize or award from the contest. Pero, masaya pa rin naman yung experience from 568 entries na nakuha nila. At least nasama sa top 40. Hindi nga lang nakaabot sa top 6 na merong prize. Pero, I guess the rest of the day was a good day. So, okay na rin naman yung araw na to. So, yun lang. See you guys on the next one. Bye!